There's love in every bit of the mishmash. The Gisele Mishmash!
Hi, I'm Gisele. Welcome to the Gisele Mishmash. I am dusting. My mom always told me that if I don't dust, then there will be dust bunnies. But I've never seen a dust bunny. Have you? So I'm thinking that maybe there's so much dust, and that is why I can't see any dust bunnies. So I keep on dusting. What do you do to help clean up? Do you tidy up your toys after playing with them? Or do you make your bed? I don't find it takes very much time to clean up, and I find it helps when I sing the cleanup song. Clean up time, come on everybody, it's clean up time. I dust the vase and I dust the table, come on everybody, it's clean up time. I dust the lamp and I dust the table again, come on everybody, it's clean up time. Still no dust bunnies. I wonder if there's really such a thing as dust bunnies. Well, I'm done my dusting. So I am going to go out for a walk. Walking, walking, walking. I love going for walks. Walking, walking, walking. A book box. I love books. A book. Do you know this letter? It's the letter R. R. The letter R says R. 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 Rock. Rock begins with R. Rock begins with R. 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 Recycling bin. Recycling bin begins with R. Recycling bin begins with R. 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 Rake. Rake begins with R. Rake begins with R. Ooh, letter R is good exercise. I am using my dough to see if you can guess what are some of my favorite things about hanging out with you here in the Gisele Mishmash. Okay, see if you can guess who I like to see when I'm with you here in the Gisele Mishmash. Can you tell? Oh, trying. Do you know who this is? Oh, let's see. Those are ears. And here are some eyes. Do you know who this is? This is Zeekoo, my puppet pal. And I love to hang out with you and Zeekoo here in the Gisele Mishmash. Okay, and something else that I love to do with you here in the Gisele Mishmash is this. Let's see if you can guess. This is gonna be a tricky one for me. Okay, do this. Okay, this is something that I like to do. Oh, I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Let's see. Okay, there, and then I'll use some orange. Okay, I love playing with dough. There we go. Let's see if we can, oh, hold on. I think there's a bit of a, yeah, like this. Okay. I don't know if you're gonna guess this. Okay. Add some color on there. Can you tell what this is? Here. Oops, I'll show you. Okay. There. Can you guess what I like to do with you? Wait, I'm doing it up here or I do it over here? I like to get art smart with you. This is to be a paintbrush and my little palette of paint. And I'm painting, you see? I like to get art smart with you. Okay, and then, oh, another thing I absolutely love to do with you. See if you can guess. Okay, let's see. Can you guess what else I like to do with you? Oops, sorry, Zeekoo. I like to smile and laugh with you here in the Gisele Mishmash. See, I'm laughing already. That's a happy face. Zeekoo, I was thinking that tomorrow we could drive to the zoo.
Drive to the zoo?
Yeah, it'd be fun to see the zoo animals.
Oh, but Gisele, you said drive to the zoo.
Yes, I did.
Okay, but no car seat for me.
No car seat, but Zeekoo, we will be driving to the zoo because it's far, so you have to sit in a car seat.
No. No car seat for me, okay, Gisele?
Oh, Zeekoo, but a car seat helps to keep you safe when you're driving. And when you're young, well, and small, then you have to sit in a car seat. There's no choice, right? You have to sit in a car seat when you drive in a car.
Oh, but Gisele, no, please, no car seat for me.
Oh, Zeekoo, you have to sit in a car seat. It helps to keep you safe.
Oh, I don't like the car seat, Gisele.
Yeah, I know it's hard to sit in a car seat, but a car seat helps to keep you safe, and it also brings you to fun places like the zoo. Oh, Zeekoo, can you try to be friends with the car seat so we can go to the zoo?
Okay, I will try.
Great. Now, I have a little favor to ask you. Well, on the way to the zoo, do you think you can hold my sparkly specs?
Oh, your sparkly specs? Can we look through your sparkly specs to see the zoo animals?
Yeah, sure we can. Ooh, I can't wait for that. Oh, I see an animal right now.
What? What is it? What is it?
It's a big purple lovable bunny.
Oh, me?
Yes, you. Check it out. I have a masterpiece on my mantelpiece. This masterpiece is of a tree. What a gorgeous tree it is. Look at all those leaves. Oh, this is made by Gavin, and Gavin is 5 years old, and he drew this because he loves trees, because they give us oxygen. That's right. Trees help to keep our air, our planet clean. I love trees too. So Gavin is from Toronto, Canada, and I have to say thank you, Gavin, for sending me this beautiful masterpiece. And I do hope that you inspire others, all of you, to send me a masterpiece for my mantelpiece. You can do so by asking a grown-up to take a picture of one of your masterpieces, and then you go to giselemishmash.com, and then you can upload that photo of your masterpiece, and then I will print it and display it here on Mantelpiece Masterpiece. So I hope you can do that, and I will see you next week when we catch each other in another video of the Gisele Mishmash. See you soon.
Gisele